Hey you guys, today I'm doing a review on my Mega Plump mascara from Wet n Wild. And this is just the tube that it comes in, what it looks like. So it's trying to get that kind of plump idea into your mind. It does have a curved brush like in my other video I did in my Volume Express. It does have almost that same brush, but it's not as curved as my Volume Express one is. It's less curved. And it really does work well. It's nice. Most of the time it does clump, but I haven't put it on my eyelashes yet. But I did put on my favorite one, Big Curls Don't Cry Hard Candy Mascara on this side. So it's volumized. It has all of the characteristics: volumized, length, and I always forget one. And curliness. I keep on forgetting it. Volumized, length, and curliness. So it really does curl, it really does volumize, and it really does lengthen. And these are just my regular eyelashes. They go straight out. So we're gonna apply our mascara on that eye. It kind of does work well inside our corners. Like you can get in there with the small angle of the brush. Oh, I can never get it right without getting it all over my skin. Alright, so that's one coat. We'll let that dry for about 10 seconds. Alright, so we'll put on our next coat. So you don't want to let it dry that much in between each coats. So that's two coats, looking good so far. Got that volumized, got that curl. Next coat, 3 coats. See if it works. On this side I was able to do 4 coats. So if it can build up as good as that one can, then it's an A+. No clumpage in that yet, so we'll see if we can get it as thick. It's working so far, so let's do it. So excited. It's competition between Wet n Wild and Hard Candy. There it goes, and it's starting to clump up here, so guess it could only take like 3.5 maybe. But it's not as curly and length as this one is. Oh my god, it's very good length and volumize. Nope, not as good. But this gets like a, how would you say, A-, and this one's A+. So my Hard Candy is A+, and this one's A-, so it's very, very close. And then next would go your Volume Express. So first you get the biggest one. It's not because of the size, it's just because of the brush. Get the biggest one, because these two are the same size, so it's not why they're in competition. It's because of how good they do. So it'd be my Big Curls Don't Cry and then my Wet n Wild plumping Mega Plump, and then my Volume Express. So those are the order in the thickness, which is volume, and then our curliness, and then our length, and then also our building up. So if we can build it up at least 4 times like this can, and it still be as volumized as that one, then it's very, very good. So that's how you can test out your mascaras. So you should buy Big Curls Don't Cry so you can actually test them out together. Do the big curls 4 times, but let them dry if you want. It will work if it's wet. And then you could take any mascara you want, like any mascara. It could be, here, I'm just pick a random one. Telescopic Explosion by L'Oreal. And then on L'Oreal, you can get in those small corners sometimes, but since it's a sphere, the applicator is a sphere. Over here, it's a sphere, but a tiny ball. It's kind of hard to get in there because then it gets all over inside the eye. So that's Telescopic Explosion. So yeah, that's my finished debate on Wet n Wild and then Hard Candy. Here, maybe you can see better. Wet n Wild and Hard Candy. Wet n Wild does better on the darkness than Hard Candy does, but Hard Candy is more volumized than Wet n Wild. That Wet n Wild does really curl and lengthen. I love it. So it would be A+, and then my Hard Candy one would be, it would be an A- on length because of the building up. You can't do as much because then it starts to spider leg. And then over here, can do it still 4 times and it doesn't clump as much. So it's better to use our Big Curls Don't Cry than our plump, but A+, A-, A+. So yep, that's it. I hope you guys liked it. Goodbye.